Hi, DIY RV and Home Camper's Life. Today I'm doing a little work on my Torklift Glowstep Revolution steps. Now Torklift did send these out for us to go ahead and test and review, and I tell you what, so far love them. Everything from the ability to adjust how far in and out they come out to where we can get into the trailer in a close quarters. The adjustable legs, amazing the amount of adjustment. We can have 3 positions here that we can adjust off of, along with down here. And there's going to be more of a more in-depth review in the near future. But today I've got a upgrade little mod, and it's not to any of the structural. It's just for walking in and out. We're working on the treads. Now they come just like this with the bare aluminum, some glow stickers on them. This traction tape in the center does not come with. Now our dog, she's getting up there in age and she's got no problem going in, but coming out, it was like she wasn't able to judge the depth of the step, and so she was actually trying to jump all the way out. So we actually took our rugs here and we laid them over the steps, and she was able to go ahead and go down. Problem is those weren't attached, and so there was a potential for slip by us or even her. And I had some of this tread tape, anti-skid tape lying around, and I thought I'd try it. And I only had enough to do just the center of each one. And this last trip out, it helped. It looked like it helped her out. So what we're doing is we're going to add, and we're going to go ahead and fill the rest of these flat spots out with it. Now I could get some carpet and do the carpet trick and all that stuff, but I think this is going to work out just as good. We're going to give it a try. So I picked up Trazon black non-skid tape off of Amazon. I'll have a link for you. I've got some denatured alcohol and I've got some cleaner right here. So first of all, I'm going to go ahead and clean it. I'll run some denatured alcohol on it, size it, and we'll attach these down. That's how I did these right here already. And I've got some pictures of that. So I'm going to get you set up somewhere and we're going to get this job going. So like the first thing I said, we're going to go ahead and just get some cleaner on it, just to clean them up a little bit. That looks pretty good. Now, I'm going to go ahead and use my denatured alcohol here and really get any greases or anything like that that's remaining, any residue. So these will stick really good. And most definitely I'm not going to cover up the glow step stickers. Those are really nice at nighttime to be able to see where we're stepping. And I'm actually going to keep that right there showing. You know, I actually like these really. All right, now this came in a 35-foot roll, 1 inch wide. Out of the way. And now I'm just going to do a rough measurement. Before I do that, I just want to, got 35 feet, but might as well make it a nice edge. And you can see my precision cut, my precision measurements. Let's see, how does that look? That looks really good. Let's check. And I think that looks really good. So I'll make 2 more of those real quick. Okay, we have all of our pieces cut. Let's take our denatured alcohol one more time and just give it a wipe. Peel the back off and all right, there's 2. So I'll go ahead and finish the rest of these up. I'm noticing that this has a little bit more stretchy than the other tape I had. So just take your time when you're doing it. But traction feels pretty good. Finish these up and I'll bring you back. Well, there we go. We've got the non-skid in place. Went on pretty good. This felt a little bit thinner in thickness over the original stuff that I had. When I did put it on, it had a little bit of stretch to it, but as we can see, it looks good. Only time will tell how well it stays. We've given it everything we could by pre-cleaning with some cleaner and then using alcohol. So prep job should be good. We've got it on a nice flat surface. I think that's going to be excellent. Allow our dog to be able to see the steps easier. And also, we won't be slipping on it. Another thing is one thing I didn't like with our old steps and the carpet is you got all the dirt and everything like that on there. And it's just nasty. But I haven't showed this yet. Let me pull it out real quick. Now, something else that Torklift sent us out when they sent the steps out is what they call their dirt destroyer. So you can just set it there and kick that dirt off. Now, the first place that we went to this year camping called Martin Landing out of Parma. Unfortunately, there was a ton of goat heads in our campsite, and that dirt destroyer came in handy as a goat horn remover. Ran my shoes through it, made sure that they were clean. So that was really a nice perk, nice little add-on to these. And we will soon be coming out with a more of an in-depth review on the steps. So far, I've really liked them, really enjoyed them. They performed excellent. I haven't found a situation where I couldn't set them up and have a good, firm, proper, stable set of stairs going into our trailer. So if you guys like this upgrade, please hit the like button, subscribe, and share. Until the next one, happy camping.